Naga, Pilipinas, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So kayo po ba ay nag-healthy breakfast na at gumalaw-galaw na, nag-exercise na po ba kayo for today? Ayan, so I would like to share this very interesting and amazing topic with you guys. So pakitype po dyan, ready kung kayo po ay gising na talaga at handa nang makinig. Okay, so I will start my sharing po. Of course, ito po pala yung topic, Burning Fat with Exercise by Dr. Heber, Dr. David Heber. So, very amazing doctor po ito. Meron po siyang clinic sa UCLA and he is really product of the products. Talagang nakita ko po to sa stage na at the age of 80, I think, na nagpo-push up po siya. Grabe po talaga. So, our doctors are really amazing and they are really approachable, ganyan. So, down to earth. Ayan. So, I will start my sharing with my progress journey, my transformation journey po with Herbalife. So, tinuk advantage ko po yung total nutrition from weight loss program for my 2 pregnancies po, sports nutrition. So, I really use Herbalife po as my nutrition partner. And ngayon po na sa aking youngest po, I'm still breastfeeding for 19 months. So amazing po, I'm still using Herbalife as my nutrition partner. So bonus na lang po talaga yung weight loss. What I really love about is yung na-improve yung energy ko, na-improve din yung aking pakiramdam, yung health concern. And dahil po sa aking magandang result, ito po pala yung recent ko na I just joined yung 21 days big change challenge. So as a mom of two, grabe, hindi ko po inaakala na nag-top 4 pa po ako sa weight loss category. So iba po talaga nagagawa nung balance and proper nutrition, not just exercise. So partida po, hindi pa ako consistent sa aking 20% workout. What I really love about with this program is yung community. Yun po talaga yung pinaka nagustuhan ko kasi with this amazing community, yung mga strangers, yung mga friends, it turned into your second family, ganyan. And sa aking magandang results na nakuha, hindi ko alam na may mga nai-inspire na ako, may mga na-motivate na ako, kaya sila na yung nagtatanong sa akin. So yung results mo, it really speaks by itself na anong ginawa mo. So with that, na-reach ko po yung 50% discount and nagulat ako na wow, I reach yung pinakamataas na discount and with that, nagkaroon ako ng mga different access sa mga higher level of trainings, yan, mga yung mga leadership trainings, ganyan. And of course, with the 50%, malaki yung matitipid mo and marami kang mas malo-learn. Narinig ko kanina kay Mother Arlene na yung learning is a never-ending process and when you learn, you live. Ayan. So with that, let's start po with our topic. So burning fat with exercise. So marami sa inyo iniisip, paano ba ako makaka-burn effectively ng fat? 'Di ba? Paano ko ba i-burn 'yon? Ano bang gagawin ko talaga? So, with that, syempre, ang iniisip natin, kailangan nating i-increase yung number ng calories na i-burn natin during and after workout. So, yun yung nasa isip natin. So, this is the advice years ago na according to the article with David Hibbert, walking for 30 minutes at 70% of your maximum heart rate. Yan, nakulangan na rate, heart rate. So, yun yung advice to burn fat effectively. But, did you know na hindi na ito yung exercise na magbe-burn ka ng more calories? Hindi na siya ngayon applicable. So, meron bang nakakaisip or nakakaalam na ano na ba talaga yung applicable na exercise that will burn more calories? Meron po ba? Kung alam nyo po, pwede nyo pong i-type dyan and let's see kung tama po ang inyong sagot. Ayan. So, I would like to reveal sa inyo po ang exercise that will burn more calories and will help us burn fat. It's the high intensity interval training. So ano po ba itong high intensity interval training? So from the word itself, it's an interval training exercise. So ito po ay exercise that can be done in going as fast as you can na ma-reach mo yung 90% maximum heart rate mo. Ibig sabihin, gumagawa ka ng exercise na nag-alternate between high and low intensity exercises. Or gagawin mo high intensity exercise tapos short period of rest. So ganun yung high intensity interval training or tinatawag na HIIT. Ano ba yung mga example ng HIIT? Example, si-sprint ka, short sprint pataas ng inyong hagdanan. And then pababa, maglalakad ka na lang. So, yun yung example ng HIIT. Another example, magbe-burpees ka, magse-set of burpees ka. And then, pagkatapos nun, ang kasunod na exercise, magba-body weight rows ka. Okay? So, I will show you some videos, some sample videos about high-intensity interval training. Paano ba yung HIIT? Para mas makita nyo siya visually. So this is the HIIT treadmill sprint for beginners. Ayan. So nakita nyo po, nagsisprint siya sa treadmill and then meron siyang period of rest in between. Diba? So yan, for beginners sa treadmill. And this one is naman yung high intensity interval training na circuit ang exercise. So let's watch it. First exercise niya, burpees and then push-ups. So, yung burpees, high intensity and then low intensity yung push-ups. And then squats. Squats to lunges. Kettlebell swing. Alright, so yun po yung example lang, HIIT circuit. Ayan. Of course, hindi lang naman high-intensity interval training exercise that would help us burn more calories or fats. So, we need also to build muscles kasi muscle is the another important part of our body or yan that will help us to achieve our ideal shape. So to build muscles, of course, we need body weight exercises. And yung exercises na ginagamitan ng mga resistance bands and weights or yan yung tinatawag na strength training. So I already discussed this topic last month. So kung pwede nyong makita yung topic na yon, maganda siyang i-review kasi makikita nyo doon or maririnig nyo yung mga benefits ng strength training, bakit siya nagmamatter in our everyday health, ano yung successful tips or ways para maumpisahan mo yung strength training, not just for the aerobics exercise. Kasi we need also to combine with HIIT itong aerobic exercise at strength exercises. So, we'll not just focus sa aerobic exercises, yung mga walking, jogging. So, we need to incorporate yung HIIT exercises and these strength training exercises para mas complete yung consistency mo sa pag-workout mo. Hindi lang yung same rate, same exercise. You need to challenge really yourself na itry yung these exercises, yung HIIT and yung strength exercises. So always remember, we combine it all together. HIIT, aerobic exercise, strength exercise. Of course, that's only the 20% of we call the workout. So ito yung winning formula natin, ito yung success formula natin. Always remember, 80% nutrition. So ito pa rin yung pinaka malaking role or percentage when it comes to the winning and success formula. Workout is just the 20%, 'di ba? So with this, pwede nyo pong isulat itong mga tips ko na sasabihin ko. So, kailangan po nating magkaroon ng protein-rich shake sa breakfast pa lang bago tayo mag-workout. And meron ulit tayong second Formula 1 shake within 30 minutes to 1 hour after our exercise. And don't forget din po, maging stay hydrated throughout your exercise. Meron ka dyang sports drink. Ako po, personally, my favorite drink, sports drink, Nightworks with aloe, with tea, with probiotics. Ayan. So, grabe po talaga. Less hingal, para kang hindi napapagod sa exercise. And of course, very important, don't skip breakfast. Kasi naiisip mo magbe-burn ka more fat kasi marami kang kinain last night kaya magsiskip ka ng breakfast. But it's really not good kasi magiging exhausted ka lalo sa workout and yung feeling mo yung fatigue ka, ganyan, over fatigue. Ayan. And of course, always remember this 80% nutrition, 20% workout, and most importantly, don't forget the Herbalife's Global Nutrition Philosophy. Ito po talaga yung kailangan ng ating katawan. 30% healthy fats, 30% protein, 40% carbohydrates. So with this Global Nutrition Philosophy, may help kayo na inyong coach yung about sa meal guide. So doon makikita mo yan yung kung ano ba yung kailangan ng iyong katawan. And with this picture, makikita mo na dyan, ay, ito pala yung for targeted nutrition, for personalized weight management. So pwede nyo po itong screenshot para makita nyo po. You can try the other products for digestive health. Of course, meron din po tayong outer nutrition na pwedeng itry for our skin, of course. So, ayan, pwede mong tanong yan sa coach mo, Coach, ano tong nasa vascular health or ano tong mga enhancers para hindi lang aloe tea shake, yung matatry mo din lahat ng products na that is really amazing and that would help your optimum nutrition. So with that, saan ka pa kukuha ng makakatulong sa'yo to good nutrition? Of course, Herbalife is here, and Herbalife is a super brand in the Philippines, and of course Herbalife is not top 100, top 50, top 5. Herbalife is number 1 in the world as a nutrition company. So with that, thank you po sa inyong pakikinig and happy Thursday.
Yeah.
Thank you.